Hello, friends. I hope you're keeping well. It's been a few days, and I organized my yarn as you can see behind me, and I made a video of a vlog type video of me organizing the yarn. We got a few items from IKEA in that corner, and my yarn is pretty much mostly organized now. I still have a few things in the back, but in this vlog type video, I bring you with me to see how I organize my yarn. And come with me, let's go organize the yarn. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. Come with me, let's go organize the yarn. So I have my labeling machine out, and I am going to be labeling what goes in the boxes. Anything I can't see, I want to have a label or at least a note that says what's in that box, and that way I don't have to be digging in the boxes to find what I need. For example, there's some yarn I found that I had been looking for, making a blanket, and I couldn't find, so this is going to come in handy. Decided to organize the yarn by weight. However, I'll have another category that is cotton yarn. I have quite a few of these cotton yarns, and I hope I can make something out of them. I know for sure I was working on some granny squares using yellow and white, so that might continue, but also the white one I can make some flowers, and also I can make some Hello Kitty with this white cotton yarn. So that is not a lost cause. I have weight 4 here. That one is quite a bit organized for now. I'll leave it as it is. I do have a few more of size 4 weight here, but it's all mixed up with other things, so I'm going to take most of it out. But for now I do have another cubby here, which is going to be weight number 5 yarn. I have quite a bit of this yarn, some of which I have started projects with already, and it's the rainbow yarn by Inspirations Banat Soft Chunky. So I'll have this one here for now until I know what I want to do with it. Some of it I lay sideways.
us, and also I'm so sorry. Now, have you ever met each other?
No, never.
No.
First time.
Okay, and well, I mean, first of all, let's start with Lake. Lake, you're a football player?
Yeah. I used to play in the NFL for the Arizona Cardinals, and then I played a little arena football after that. Now I am happily retired.
And do your teammates know about this? Or are they aware?
So these baskets are now full of either scrap yarn or new yarn, and I have arranged the yarn according to weight. So I have weight number 4, maybe 3 cabbies, which I didn't know I had that much weight number 4 because I hardly use it. Down in the bottom I have some Caron cakes and some other caked yarn from Hobby. I have some blanket yarn there. Sorry for the mess, I'm still trying to work on it. I have a lot of chunky yarn which I use quite a bit for my stuffed toys, and also I have this yarn here which is size number 6, and I have used it for some scarves and a vest, and I'm hoping to make another vest. Also I have my hand-dyed yarn here which I hardly use, but I'm hoping to make some nice tops for myself and or some scarves. I'm still working on arranging. As you can see, my creations are up there, and I still don't have a place for my cotton yarn, but I have managed to get some of the yarn that was in the closet over there out into the new baskets or into the cabbies. I have more books in the closet. There's a lot going on here. Now this is yarn I just discovered back here. It's in a bin, and it's full of hobby yarn and some boucle yarn, which I haven't used much, but I know I can use up the boucle yarn to make blankets. I still have a long way to go. Probably this is gonna take me days, but I'm glad I started because the biggest thing is to start. This is my where I put my ongoing projects, and it's a mess. It's a total mess. I will have to take a whole day to organize this. I don't mind that it's this way though, because I use it every day. So it has project bags and all that. So I'm going to work on that as well. I think some yarn will still have to go into these bins, and I still have my finished objects in bins, and I think that's where they are gonna live for now, because this is getting to be a bit more than I had anticipated. Boy is here too. He's trying to help. He's not very helpful, just sniffing and trying to discover what's going on. This is gonna take a few days, so stay with me and see me organize my yarn, and hopefully we'll have a nice finished organization, and I can ban myself from buying more yarn because I have way too much, way more than I will ever use. So I need to build some self-control when it comes to yarn. It's gonna be difficult, but I need to remind myself. I'm so tired just trying to organize. I've been doing this for about 3 hours now, and I'm not even halfway done, but I'm glad I started because I'm making some headway. I'm also using my labeling machine to label the cabbies like that, and then I'm using my journaling app on iOS or iPhone to document what is in every cabbie. I know I could go ahead and document my stash in ravelly, but do I have the grace? I'm not sure. So for now, this is what I have, and I'll just keep going and organize as much as I can and see where that leads, and also start working on projects. I found some yarns that I didn't know I had. I found Scarfy, and I found other yarn that I have been looking for, that I've been working on blankets for a while. So this is going to be a work in progress, but hopefully tomorrow I can do a little more. I know my camera is probably not straight because I'm moving a lot, but I'm making headway, and that's what matters. Thank you for being with me, and I'll keep showing you my progress. Bye now. Hello friends, and welcome back. Bo is still here, watching me organize, but finally I have managed to get some work done. I have taken off most of the yarn that was in the closet over there, the far end, and I have it in the some bins we got from IKEA yesterday, the ones over there in that corner, and most of the yarn is pretty much organized now. So I'm happy with the progress so far. I know I still have some work to do, especially recording the stash I have, but for now this is what I got, and I have some of it in colors, but most of it is organized by weight, because that makes most sense. Because if I'm going to be working on a project, it's going to be mostly by weight, not by color. So there you are. I am so happy I did this, and I'm happy that I can now decide on what yarn to buy and what yarn not to buy, because definitely I don't need any more yarn. I know I'm going to be using up quite a bit to prepare for my markets, and that's what I'm looking forward, is to see what I can use up for my market, and then I can replace with some of the yarn that's still in the back. So there you are. That's my final project. That's my final product. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my content, please go and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Happy crocheting, happy making, and just go with the flow. Bye now.